All right, guys. Some of you did not show up for science today, so I'm going to record this to remind you what you guys are working on this week into next week. This is our end of unit project that's going to be like your test, basically. So instead of giving you a giant test, this is how we're going to be doing it. So you're designing an energy efficient eco house. There's 4 steps to this project. Step 1, you guys are going to pick 2 types of renewable energy. Renewable energy is solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, biomass, right? Those are your 5 types. Pick 2. Okay, so let's say you want to do solar and you want to do geothermal. So solar is your first one. Where is the source going to be located? Where are you going to put your solar panels? Are you going to put them on your roof? Are you going to have them in your yard? Are you going to have like an awning and have the panels be part of your awning instead, right? And then how does the energy source work? So describe where this form of energy comes from, and how it is captured or harnessed to be used in your house. So solar energy comes from the sun and is captured by solar panels, right? And then explain kind of how that works. Same thing you're going to do for 2, right? So where is the source going to be located? How does this energy source work? This next part, right? These are products or items that you're going to use within your house that are energy conscious, right? So they conserve energy. We're not talking about saving money. It's not about saving the most money. It's about energy consciousness. So things that are going to help the environment. Now, because there's a lot of different products out there, what Miss Wolf did for you is I created this energy efficiency PowerPoint. So this products for slide 4, you can go through, and here I have listed a bunch of different products. You can pick 5 from here. You can pick 2 from here and research the other 3. You can research a bunch, and then whatever you're missing, fill in from here. Okay. Then our last slide here for the written portion is energy conserving actions or habits that you're going to take, right? So again, if you look at this presentation, here I have energy saving habits, and I've listed a bunch here. Okay, so these are things like unplugging appliances when you're not using them, turning their lights off when they're not in a room, drying your clothes on a line instead of in a tumble dryer, right? So you can, again, pick 5 out of here or research some or think of some on your own, and then use this for the rest if you want. What you're doing in these boxes, so here for a description and here in the box, for this one, you're going to list what a habit is and then explain what you're doing, right? And why you're doing it. For this one, explain not how it works, but how you're using it. So once you guys have finished slides 3, 4, and 5, then you may move on to the designing. So I have given you these items as a template. You do not have to use these. You can draw them on your own. You can do them like Miss Wolf has I have like programs online that I can draw in. You can use those. So with these, you can use shapes. So insert shapes. You can use these to design what your house is going to look like. And the key piece of this is you need to make sure you're including those renewable energy resources. So show me where your solar panels are. If you put your solar panels on the roof, put them on the roof so I can see them. If you have a windmill or a wind turbine on your roof, put it on the roof. If you're using geothermal power, show me like a cutaway to the underground piping, right, in your front or your backyard. On the interior and the exteriors, guys, if you are using products, so those 5 products have to be labeled. Okay, so if you're using LED lights, label the LED lights. If you're using motion power sensors, switches, mark those. This project is not due until the 23rd, until next Wednesday. So you have some time to work on this. You do not have to finish it all in one go, but this is your end of unit project for Earth Sciences. Okay? That's everything I have for you guys. You guys can, again, use the internet to help you with this. You cannot generate things directly from your mind if you do not know or remember. And that's why using the internet for a project like this is okay. All right. Make sure you're putting it in your own words, though. Do not copy and paste off of the internet. I will know. I can tell when it's not your handwriting, or rather, when it's not your writing. That is everything I have for you guys. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk with you later. Bye.